We're going to be testing out a makeup sponge that just came out by MORPHE. This is what it looks like. MORPHE Vegan Pro Series Precision Blending Sponge. And it is made in China. This retails for $10. I love that it's black too. Look how cute. I absolutely love this shape. Like, I don't like a sponge that doesn't have like different angles. I don't know. Like, it's easier for me. And I love to apply my foundation with this kind shape. Flat. MORPHE Vegan Pro Series Precision Blending Sponges Ultra Soft Beauty Sponge for applying liquid and cream foundation and concealer. We will try out both. Sculpted with an easy to hold base and pointed tip for precision lay down in even hard to reach areas. This tool puts you in ultimate control. Latex free, biodegradable, 100% vegan. Fused with good skin and protein and vitamin rich rice husk. They also have like this red sponge that I also wanted to try, but I prefer this shape much better. See, it does feel really soft. I've always like searched for a sponge like that. I usually always like use the same sponge just because it's really hard to find a soft one. So if you know of any soft sponges, please do let me know. I usually don't wet my sponge, so I'm going to do the application dry, but I will show you in the end how would the sponge look like if you wet it. So when you have a dry sponge is usually more coverage. If you wet it, is more like sheer. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I already moisturized. I'm thinking I'm going to use a product that I know how it works really well, so I'm able to judge the sponge fairly. So I'm going to first go with the concealer. I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape. It's just the first one that I grabbed. So I'm going to just conceal here. You can conceal wherever you like. I'm just doing these 3 spots. I don't have any special technique. And now let's see how well this blends. Start blending out. First impressions, that blended out really nicely. That looks flawless. It was really easy. It doesn't look patchy. Now for the concealer part of it is working great. And again, the sponge feels so soft on your eyes. If you wanted to like conceal around your nose area, it just fits so well. It doesn't hurt at all. This area, yeah, I'm just using like this part as well, just to tap it, and it really leaves the coverage nicely. The foundation, using the Catrice, which is one of my favorites. Definitely know how it applies because I use it so much. Use this one side. I mean, look how easy that works. It blends really, really well. It's a nice size. I would have liked it a little bit bigger just so I can get the work done faster, but I think it's the perfect shape. Perfect. I really like want to order a whole bunch more. I don't know why, but I love that it's black. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side of my face. I don't feel like it's sucking up my foundation either, like all the product is staying in the sponge. Not at all. What I love the most is how soft it is. It doesn't eat up my product and the shape. Of course, I'll leave it listed in the description if you want to check it out. And if you've watched until this part of the video, please comment down below and let me know if you use your sponge wet or dry. Just say wet or dry. Okay, I want to see because I think most people use their sponge wet, but I don't know, I could be wrong. So just leave it in the comments. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wet it so you can see what it looks like. Here is the sponge wet. I did try to rinse out as much as I could. As you see, the shape still looks the same. You just have to be very gentle. I don't know if some reviews were saying that when you washed it, like cleaned it, lost its shape, or I don't know, I'm not sure, but I'll definitely update you in the comments like when I wash it, if anything happens. Like I said, right now 10 out of 10 for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.